As events in Boston intensified, in mid-June the Second Continental Congress, meeting in Philadelphia, resolved to form a Continental Army for defense. They elected Virginia planter and military veteran George Washington as commander-in-chief. 3 days later, the bloody Battle of Bunker Hill convinced colonists they were not helpless. Washington took up headquarters in Cambridge, Massachusetts, and set to work training the unruly militiamen into an army. Meanwhile, Colonel Benedict Arnold of Connecticut
and Ethan Allen, the leader of the Green Mountain Boys,
marched troops to Fort Ticonderoga in New York and seized the cannons and military supplies there. Over the winter, an expedition under Colonel Henry Knox used boats, horses, and oxen to move 60 tons of munitions from Fort Ticonderoga to Boston. On the night of March 4, 1776, 2,500 Continental troops moved the munitions to the top of Dorchester Heights. This position commanded Boston Harbor from the south, thus endangering the British Navy ships. On March 8th, British General William Howe offered to leave the town peacefully if the Continentals agreed not to shoot. Washington agreed. On March 17th, the regulars left Boston by sea, taking more than 1,000 Loyalists with them to Halifax, Nova Scotia. 250 years later, Massachusetts still celebrates Evacuation Day, which conveniently coincides with St. Patrick's Day.